Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, students. You all will be fine, I hope so. Today we will do exercise 3.4. In exercise 3.4, we will use laws of logarithm which we have studied in previous exercise. And I hope you all will remember these laws. We have studied 4 laws. The first law was when two numbers are multiplying under the same log, when you open the bracket, multiplication changes into addition. Here are these 4 laws. The first one. Now the second one is when two numbers are dividing under the same log, when you open the bracket, division changes into subtraction. It becomes log of numerator minus log of denominator. Clear? The third law is when you have a power in the log, the power will comes at the start. And the fourth law, which is called change of base law, is when we have log of number and a base. It is equal to the log of number in any other base, multiply with log of base in any other base. Here is another form of this. Log of number divided by log of base. Here you can see n is the number, a is the base. So log of the number divided by log of base. And we have used this fourth law in exercise 3.3. So today we are going to solve exercise 3.4. Here we have exercise 3.4. Question is use log tables to find the value of. We have to find the values of these, but with the help of log. We cannot multiply these numbers on a calculator. We have to apply log on them. Clear? Now let's see the solution. Here we have the solution of first part. Question is use log table to find the value of. Clear? First part is 0.8176 into 13.64. Certain steps are common in every question. If you follow these steps, question will be easier for you. So let's see the question step by step. The first step is same in every question, and the first step is you will let the question as x. Whatever the question is, you will let it x. Here you can see I have let x is equals to 0.8176 into 13.64. Then after letting it x, we will apply log on both sides. Here it becomes log of x, and here we will put a bracket and apply log. On the left hand side, log of x will remain as it is, but on the right hand side we will apply the laws of logarithm. Here you can see we can apply first law because there is a multiplication sign. So according to the first law, when I open the bracket, it becomes log of this number plus log of this number. Here in this step, writing log is compulsory. If you forget to write the log here, entire question will be wrong. Now with the help of calculator, you will find log of this plus sign as it is and log of this. You can use calculator here. Use calculator to find the logs. Clear? Now this is the simple mathematical question. Solve it on your calculator. The answer will be this. But if you remember, we have to find the value of x, not log of x. So to remove the log, we will shift this log to the other side. And when we change the side of log, it will become anti-log. So x is equals to anti-log of this number. Now again with the help of calculator, you will find the anti-log of this number. And one thing I want to tell you that in order to find the anti-log, you have to press the shift button and log button on the calculator. I hope this question is clear to you. So move to the next part, which is part number 3 of same question. Okay students, now we are going to solve the third part, which is 0.678 into 9.01 divided by 0.0234. Again we have to solve this with the help of log. So let's see the solution. Here we have the solution of part number 3. This is the question. So again, if you see, the first step is same. We have let the question as x. Let x is equals to the whole question, not only a single number, but the whole question will you consider as x. Again, see, the second step is again same. Apply log on both sides. On left hand side it becomes log of x, and on the right hand side we will put a bracket, log of whole question. Now on the left hand side log of x will continue, but on the right hand side we will apply laws of logarithm. Here you can see there is a multiplication sign between these two. So when I open the bracket, it will change into addition. So it becomes log of 0.678 plus log of 9.01. But 0.0234 is dividing, so here comes a negative sign according to the second law. So it becomes log of 0.678 plus log of 9.01 minus log of 0.0234. Now again with the help of calculator you will find these logs. First of all you will press log button and then write the number and then press the equal sign. Answer will be this. Then again for the second you will press log button, write 9.01, press equal button, answer will be this. This is the minus sign from question, and when the third time you will take the log of this number, the answer will be -1. Here is the minus sign when it comes when you solve this on the calculator, and this minus sign was coming from the law. Clear? Now this is simple mathematical sentence. You can open the bracket, minus minus plus. So now write this all numbers on your calculator, press equal sign, answer will be this. Again we have calculated the value of log of x. If you remember, on the left hand side we have log of x, but actually we want to find only x. So we will shift this log to the other side, it becomes anti-log. So anti-log of 2.4167, again you will calculate in calculator and the answer will be 261. I hope these questions are clear. So move to the next question. After third part, we have fifth part of exercise 3.4. The question is same. We have to find the value of all this. Question is 1.23 multiplying 0.6975 dividing by 0.075 multiply with 1278. Let's see the solution. Here we have, I have already written the question. Again you can see the first step is same. I have let the whole question as x. The second step is also same, apply log on both sides. The third step is again same, it becomes log of x, and here I have put a long bracket because this log is for all of them. If I didn't put this bracket, then it means log is only for this. But as this log is for all of them, so you have to put a bigger bracket. Clear? Now on the left hand side we have log of x as it is, but on the right hand side we will open the bracket. You can see these two numbers are multiplying, so they will change into addition, and these two numbers are dividing, they are in the denominator, so they will change into subtraction. So it becomes log of 1.23 plus log of 0.6975 minus log of 0.0075 minus log of 1278. Clear? Now with the help of calculator you will find the log of all these four numbers. Clear? You have to use the calculator. Log of 1.23 is this, log of 0.6975 is this, log of 0.0075 is this, and log of 1278 is this. Now if your answer is in negative, then put a bracket. You will also remember, whenever there are two signs you have to put a bracket. So if your answer comes in negative, please put a bracket. Clear? Now open these brackets. It will remain as it is, plus minus minus as it is, minus minus plus, number will as it is, and minus 3.1065. Now this is simple mathematical question. solve it with the help of calculator. Answer will be this. Clear? Now again we have to find x, so take log to the other side, it will change into antilog. Now find antilog of this number with the help of calculator, and answer is this. Clear? I am again telling you, if you follow the steps, questions are easier for you, otherwise you will stuck anywhere. Clear?